want to talk about a psychopath. A boy a one B-clot psychopath. And me don't tell the youth your Sunday say, yo my youth, me know your blood clot profile, you know. But let me tell you what happened to you. You are gonna end up dead. Your own friend them are gonna kill you. Enough things me predict, you know. Especially about you. But you see you Sunday, you are gonna end up dead. Your own friend them are gonna kill you. And you see, PREZI can't save you. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Sunday, me I look on your bio, and you have a dirty, rotten bio, you know. You did run Gala England, and you come back in a Trinidad. But, yo, I want to ask you something Sunday. What make you feel kill so much bomb-clad people? Yo, what wrong with you? What people do you? If you don't like people, kill yourself, my youth. Sunday, enough people life, you mash up, you know. Including your nephew, because of you make your nephew dead. You understand? And nobody else. Because of you and the blood clot fucker you do. My youth, you want sick up. What make you feel walk and kill people like that? You think so you are gonna live forever, my youth? You think so nobody now pre you? Eh? Big pussy whole thing. And I can't believe that big fat boy, the PREZI, have you run him and do them fuckery there, yo. You see from where me see, that pussy Sunday is a corrupt, wicked, socio-psychopath dog. And the man them forget rid of him, yeah. And that countryman say, yo, what make him have to walk and kill people? So, yo, may I tell you something with that pussy I do? You understand? That is Rajee Ali. And you know say him do the eat pan Fishy in the prison, him a Muslim. And like myself from day one, and the Muslim them like a them run the prison. But me hear something about the youth here. Now, me know this looks strange, cause a Sunday put up the $100,000 to get rid of Fishy, cause him and Fishy a war for a long time. Just like how him and Six done a war, just like how him and other man a war, just like how him and other man a war. You see me I say? Now, me know it looks strange when me tell you this, but you know the youth Ali. A Sunday set him up and make him go to prison. Let me repeat it again. The youth will name Ali, Rajee Ali, will do the hit pan Fishy, and Fishy live in a prison. A Sunday set him up. So the question is, why would he be doing hits for Sunday? Me I gotta answer that question there. But before me do that, I want to show you something about Trinidad. You understand? I want to show you something about Trinidad. Watch them video here. Me I show you 2 video clip. And this, for give you an idea what me I go show you. This was when Muslim and Rasta city a war. I want to just look on this and look how much sitting the man them have. Watch this.
Come now, your mother cunt. All in come again. Show you ready. Outside. Okay.
Put it down. You're outside, boom, be a mother cunt. All listeners. You can have a next time when you don't get a mother cunt, Or the cool and boom, be
That was the Rasta City and the Muslim before Rasta City and the Muslim them split up. Now, Rasta City man them turn 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. and then the Muslim them start do them thing. Now why am I showing you that? I just want to show the world how Trinidad is. And why am I showing you that again? I want them to know, say, you see the Muslim them not in no war with nobody. When the Muslim man them a do now in a Trinidad, them become hitman. So they might take work from different organization. It no matter if you are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The Muslim them I take work and I do hits for different people. So that's why even though Sunday send Ali a prison, he was able to still drop some money and make the man them do some things. Now more I'm telling you something else about Sunday. After Sunday, send Rajee Ali, that are the Muslim youth right there, so go prison. Me I tell you, I'm want to listen to this now. In 3 days, Sunday and some other man wipe out the whole of Rajee Ali crew, kill all of them and send him go to prison. So now him in a prison, pretty much him a lead the Muslim them and I turn them in a hitman. Now how sick is that? That's why I'm telling you, say, you see that boy the Sunday is a serial killer. That boy they need for come off of the road. More know what make him a kill people, so dog. Where people do you like that? Eh? No, me here say 6 done. Seeing? I want to listen to this, you know, I know nothing crazy, but I just want to show you how Trinidad stay now. Me here say him, you know, all him do, him sit down at the intersection down at St. Paul Street, and him have on all his gold chain them, you understand, him have 2 tents set up, and all him do, collect money all day. When evening come, him go bathe and come back down, and him sit down and smoke weed, drink liquor and drink rum and collect money all day. At that, 6 done I do, you know. Right now, if you don't believe me, go down to St. Paul. I want to see him right out there. Now, yo, Trinidad unique. Him a do this right across from the police station. Let me repeat that one more time. Him a do it right across from the police station. Also remember, 6 done on Sunday, them 2 man there always a war. Them have the biggest war I go on in a Port of Spain. Like me said, the boy Sunday, I want dangerous boy. Him a war with all 10 man on 10 different front dog. I saw him stay. Me here, I think, I may look for the youth a picture. A youth when he Mad Max. Him run C-Lots right now. And I want Mad Max picture. So anybody have Mad Max picture, send it come give me, cause I want to talk about Mad Max. Cause me here say PREZI, afraid of Mad Max. You understand? Because you have Berkey used to run over there, and when Berkey dead, PREZI say yo him a run it, and Mad Max tell him no, you can't run this. You understand? So me I look for Mad Max picture, and me here say PREZI afraid of Mad Max like puss. You understand? And Mad Max, me here say the man look like Mad Max, dress like Mad Max, and act like Mad Max. Yo, B, Trinidad, may I tell you, is a unique place. Very, very unique. Now, with that said, me don't want to lose sight of what me I talk about. That boy a Sunday. Me just do this for sure now. Oh. That brother here is a psychopath, a serial killer, and him no mind kill people. If you see the man them say when them go around Sunday, all Sunday they pan, mother count you are par with them kind of man there. Mother count them man they a cock a hole, and I say my call the rest of boss them. Him say mother count you par with the rest of boss them, they cock a hole, and then you come over here, yo, him not have nothing good to say about nobody. I saw Sunday stay. He calling the man named Cockahole. Yeah, call man Cockahole. Everybody have a problem with. You understand? And I saw him stay. I just tell you now how that brother ya stay. Yo, me feel if them get rid of him, let me shut my mouth here, man. But yo, that boy ya, for their prison. You understand? I don't know how the police them not arrest him yet. Him rob the jewelry store, do all sort of thing. Him a kill man from multiple front and him still out. Yo, Trinidad, we don't have to fix that. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. And me going to talk about Jamaica car. Mrs. Serpedo I think pan charge of badness. And yo B, me really want to talk about what's going on in Jamaica, especially around Gregory Park area. You understand? Out there so out of Gulf. You understand? And Clark's Lane and them places. So me going to talk about something. I'm out.